The Formnext news are powered by CMS, your technology partner.
Welcome to Formnext TV News with a selection of exhibitor highlights. Litos is displaying a wide variety of multi-material parts produced with Litos CeraFab Multi 2M30. The showcased parts are featuring combinations of ceramic and ceramic and polymer, or ceramic and metal. This machine is able to print with two materials simultaneously, facilitating the production of highly accurate and detailed parts. Stratasys is using Formnext as a stage for a large number of innovations. No less than 3 printers are presented for the first time. The Origin 1 is designed for end-use manufacturing applications and produces high-volume parts from a wide range of materials. The H350 uses SAF technology, which allows manufacturers to consistently produce thousands of components at a competitive unit cost and to control the entire manufacturing process. The latest FDM 3D printer, the F770, is best suited for large components. According to the manufacturer, it has the longest fully heated design envelope available on the market. Alborg is presenting a wide range of high-end machines here in Frankfurt. A freeformer 303X, designed for high-temperature applications, is on display, which for the first time processes the original Vestakeep i2G granulate from its partner Evonik into customized skull bone implants. The original polymer material, which is approved for permanently implantable medical products, significantly expands the range of applications for Alborg's freeforming technology. Polish company Zinterit is showing its new, rapid and above all compact SLS 3D printer named ELISA X at Formnext. It works up to 10 times faster than comparable SLS 3D printers and, according to the company, pushes the boundaries for SLS 3D printing beyond the industrial sector. Until now, truly fast printing was only possible with large industrial 3D printers. ELISA X is able to complete most print jobs in less than 24 hours. Cubicure is presenting its new large-scale machine, Cerion, which is designed to cover the entire digital manufacturing process from prototyping to industrial series production. Cerion features a new printing technology with a mobile print head and rotating resin carrier foil. According to the company, Cerion brings a completely new understanding of throughput and manufacturing quality to lithographic 3D printing, thanks to a scalable printing concept. Replique, which is part of BASF, is displaying the first fully encrypted digital inventory 3D printing platform, offering a secure and sustainable means of providing spare parts on demand, anytime, anywhere. The company has combined its digital inventory platform with a global, decentralized 3D printing network of AM professionals to provide OEMs with an end-to-end solution from design to manufacturing and part shipment. That were our today's Formnext TV News. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.